Hello and welcome to New England Industrial Machinery. Today we're doing a video demonstration of a Bridgeport vertical mill. This is a 1.5 horsepower variable speed machine. Has a 9x42 inch table. Even though there's a Bridgeport power feed unit on the table, it does not work. The gears are stripped or some other mechanical function. The motor does work, but it does not drive the table, so we're not selling it as a working unit. We're just selling it as a manual feed table. Serial number on this machine is 121361. The ways are pretty worn, but evenly worn. They're all worn. And R8 collet, of course. It has the one-shot lube system. There's a door that belongs on the side that I do not have, so there is no door, side door for the tools or storage compartment. And I did say 1.5 horsepower variable speed. Operates on 230 volt, 3-phase. Spindle speeds are 60 to 4,200. So I'll go ahead and start the machine. We're in high range now. That's as slow as it goes in the high range. That's 500 RPM. Speed. So we'll try some power feeds. You see the Quill feeding down, faster rate, slower, medium. When it hits the stop, it clicks off. Go in reverse, push the knob in. So we'll go ahead and put it in, well that's one direction, we'll put it in the other direction. Spindle brake works. We'll try putting it into okay, that's low speed. I don't think there's anything else to show you. And I think I told you about the power feed already. Okay. If you have any questions or would like to inspect the machine under power for yourself, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.